Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700, a bike that has already captured the attention of adventure riders worldwide. The Tenere 700 has been an iconic choice for those looking to explore both on and off the beaten path, and the 2025 version takes it to new heights with updates that enhance performance, technology, and style. The first thing that stands out with the 2025 Tenere 700 is its fresh, modern look. Yamaha has updated the design to give it a more aggressive and dynamic appearance while staying true to the rugged adventure spirit. The angular front headlight design is a bold statement, featuring LED lighting that improves visibility and adds a futuristic touch. The new paint schemes, including an eye-catching blue and gray, not only enhance its appeal but also highlight Yamaha's commitment to making the bike both practical and stylish. If you've always wanted a motorcycle that looks as good as it performs, this new look is sure to turn heads. Moving on to performance, the 2025 Tenere 700 doesn't disappoint. The heart of this beast remains the 689cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, known for its punchy torque and reliable power delivery. This engine is perfect for long-distance touring, tackling dirt trails, or taking on city streets. In 2025, Yamaha has fine-tuned the engine for even smoother throttle response and improved efficiency. Whether you're on a highway or navigating tough trails, the Tenere 700 promises a thrilling experience with every twist of the throttle. One of the key upgrades in the 2025 model is the addition of ride-by-wire throttle control. This allows for more precise and customizable throttle response, giving riders better control over the bike in different riding conditions. Paired with this is the new traction control system, which provides increased stability when you're riding on slippery or uneven terrain. For those who want a more tailored experience, Yamaha has also added 3 power modes, giving you the ability to choose between a more aggressive or mellow engine response based on the environment you're riding in. This feature is especially useful when switching between paved roads and off-road conditions. The suspension on the 2025 Tenere 700 also sees some upgrades. With long travel suspension at both the front and rear, this bike is built to tackle rough terrain with ease. Whether you're riding over rocks, mud, or sand, the Tenere 700 offers excellent comfort and stability. The KYB suspension has been further refined for a more balanced ride, offering greater support and reducing fatigue during long off-road adventures. The adjustable suspension settings allow you to fine-tune your ride, ensuring you're always in control no matter where you take the bike. Speaking of control, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 boasts a suite of features designed to enhance rider confidence. The advanced electronics package includes a new TFT display, which offers better visibility and more information than the previous model's LCD screen. This high-tech display shows everything from ride modes to trip data, keeping you informed while you're out on the road. Yamaha has also updated the switchgear to make it more intuitive, ensuring you can access all of the bike's functions with ease. Another standout feature is the bike's ergonomics. The 2025 model has been designed with long-distance comfort in mind. The seat is more cushioned and supportive, reducing discomfort on longer rides. The handlebar position is adjustable, and the foot pegs have been repositioned to give riders better control and comfort, whether you're standing up on the pegs while riding off-road or seated during highway cruising. The 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 is also more accessible for riders of all skill levels. With a seat height that is manageable for most riders and improved stability, the bike feels more balanced and easier to handle, even when you're navigating tight trails or rocky terrain. The low center of gravity gives riders more confidence when cornering or maneuvering in tricky conditions, making this bike a fantastic choice for both seasoned adventurers and those new to the world of off-roading. Now, let's talk about practicality. Yamaha has made sure that the 2025 Tenere 700 is equipped for long trips and extended off-road journeys. It comes with a large, durable fuel tank that holds more fuel than the previous model, offering greater range between fill-ups. The bike is also equipped with luggage mounting points, allowing you to easily add panniers or a top box for those long-distance expeditions. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 remains competitive in the adventure bike market. It offers excellent value for money when compared to similar models in its class, thanks to the thoughtful combination of features, technology, and performance. While it's not the cheapest option out there, it's definitely one of the best choices if you're looking for an all-around capable adventure motorcycle that can tackle any challenge. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 is a fantastic evolution of an already impressive bike. With its updated design, advanced technology, and improved performance, it continues to be a top contender in the adventure bike market. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a reliable companion for long trips or a new adventure or looking to explore the world, the Tenere 700 will get you there in style and comfort. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews and test rides here at Auto Paradise. Thanks for watching.